1. 1974 Dodge Charger R/T-Max Sedan 4D. Price, $23,000, located Decatur, Indiana. This 1974 Dodge Charger R/T is a classic Mopar muscle car that captures the bold styling and powerful performance that made the Charger name famous throughout the 1970s. Finished in black with a matching black interior, this Charger presents an aggressive appearance that perfectly reflects its muscle car heritage. The vehicle has been driven approximately 64,777 miles and remains an appealing choice for enthusiasts seeking a strong weekend cruiser. Under the hood is a powerful 440 cubic inch Mopar V8 engine built using desirable 6-pack performance components. Combined with an automatic transmission, power steering, and a posi traction rear differential, the car delivers impressive acceleration and confident road manners. A dual exhaust system further enhances both performance and sound, providing the unmistakable rumble expected from a big block Mopar. Additional features include bucket seats and a well-balanced setup suitable for cruising, local shows, and collector events. According to the seller, the vehicle offers strong performance and can be enjoyed immediately or used as an excellent foundation for future restoration or customization projects. This Charger represents a great opportunity to own a genuine piece of classic American muscle car history. 2. 1967 Ford Fairlane GT500 Drag Car Roller. Price, $18,500, located Bowling Green, Kentucky. This 1967 Ford Fairlane GT500 Drag Car Roller is a purpose-built racing machine designed for serious drag racing enthusiasts. Built as a rolling chassis, the vehicle is currently configured for a small block Ford engine but has previously accommodated a big block Ford setup as well. With approximately 88,000 miles shown, the Fairlane offers a solid platform for anyone looking to complete a competitive drag car project. The chassis includes a certified mild steel roll cage with swing-out bars, making entry and exit more convenient while maintaining safety. Performance components include a 9-inch rear end with a nodular Moser center section, 35 spline axles, a spool, ladder bar rear suspension, coilover shocks, and 4.10 gearing. Additional upgrades include aerospace disc brakes, an aluminum radiator, electric water pump, MSD ignition system, and long tube headers with Dynamax mufflers. The vehicle is titled and could potentially be returned to street use with additional work. Equipped with new RC comp wheels and Mickey Thompson drag radials, this Fairlane represents an excellent foundation for racers seeking a proven and well-equipped drag racing chassis. 3. 1974 Chevrolet Nova. Price, $19,500, located Wartrace, Tennessee. This 1974 Chevrolet Nova is a drag-ready muscle car built for enthusiasts who appreciate straightforward performance and classic Chevrolet styling. Finished in black, the vehicle offers an aggressive appearance that reflects its purpose-built nature. According to the seller, the car is ready to run and comes with a clean title, making it an attractive option for buyers seeking a vehicle that can be enjoyed immediately. The Nova has approximately 1,111 miles reported and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Designed with drag racing in mind, the car has been prepared to deliver strong straight-line performance while maintaining the unmistakable character that made the Nova a popular platform among racers and hot rodders. Its lightweight body and proven Chevrolet heritage contribute to its appeal within the performance car community. Whether used for local drag strip events, weekend cruising, or future performance upgrades, this Nova provides a solid starting point. The seller notes that the vehicle is race-ready and available for serious buyers. Combining classic styling, proven performance potential, and clean ownership documentation, this 1974 Chevrolet Nova remains an appealing example of a traditional American drag car. 4. 1984 Pontiac Grand Prix Coupe 2D. Price, $15,000, located Woodville, Ohio. This 1984 Pontiac Grand Prix Coupe is a highly modified drag racing chassis designed for serious performance applications. Finished in a unique radar blue paint that shifts between blue and purple depending on lighting conditions, the car offers an eye-catching appearance that stands out both on and off the track. The vehicle has approximately 123,456 miles listed and includes a title ready for transfer. Built with competition in mind, the Grand Prix features a chassis engineering 4-link rear suspension, Ford 9-inch rear end with 4.22 gearing, 35 spline spool, drag slicks, and a nitrous-ready dry shaft. Additional upgrades include Willwood rear brakes, aerospace front brakes, rack and pinion steering, and lightweight fiberglass body components including the hood, doors, trunk, and front clip. The vehicle is being offered without an engine or transmission, providing the next owner with flexibility to complete the build according to personal preferences. The seller notes that the car has previously achieved impressive performance numbers while naturally aspirated. For racers seeking a lightweight and professionally prepared platform, this Grand Prix represents a rare and highly specialized opportunity. 5. 1985 Ford Mustang. Price, $11,500, located Gallatin, Tennessee. This 1985 Ford Mustang is a well-equipped street and performance car featuring numerous upgrades designed to enhance power, handling, and braking capability. Finished in green with a gray interior, the Mustang delivers a distinctive appearance while retaining the classic Fox body styling that remains popular among enthusiasts. The vehicle is equipped with a manual transmission and has approximately 123,456 miles reported. Power comes from a DSS Racing forged 331-stroker short block paired with trick-flow aluminum heads, a trick-flow intake manifold, custom camshaft, upgraded fuel system, and MSD ignition components. The drivetrain also includes a T5 manual transmission, aftermarket clutch, short-throw shifter, and a rear axle equipped with 3.73 gears. Suspension upgrades include a tubular K-member, tubular control arms, adjustable coilovers, polyurethane mounts, and welded subframe connectors. Braking performance is enhanced by a 14-inch Brembo brake package and upgraded master cylinder. According to the seller, the car is a solid driver that could benefit from additional tuning and refinement. This Mustang offers strong performance potential and an impressive collection of aftermarket upgrades for enthusiasts seeking a capable Fox body project. 6. 1971 Plymouth Duster Drag Car. Price, $36,000, located Hartford, South Dakota. This 1971 Plymouth Duster drag car is a dedicated race machine with deep roots in drag racing history. Originally built from a genuine 344-speed car, it was converted into a drag racing vehicle shortly after its production and has remained focused on competition ever since. The lightweight fiberglass hood, front fenders, and front bumper help improve performance while maintaining the aggressive appearance of the classic Duster body. Power is provided by a newly built 512 cubic inch Mopar engine based on a 440 platform and equipped with aluminum cylinder heads. The engine reportedly has no passes since completion and is paired with a fresh 727 automatic transmission featuring an adjustable trans brake. A Dana 60 rear end and adjustable suspension components contribute to the vehicle's racing capability. Additional features include modern LED headlights and numerous upgraded components throughout the chassis. According to the seller, the combination should comfortably run quarter-mile times in the high 9-second to low 10-second range. This Plymouth represents a serious opportunity for racers seeking a proven Mopar platform with fresh high-performance equipment. 7. 1987 Ford Mustang GT Convertible 2D. Price, $9,000, located Johnston City, Illinois. This 1987 Ford Mustang GT convertible combines classic Fox body performance with open-air driving enjoyment. Finished in black with a matching black interior, the vehicle maintains the aggressive styling that made the Mustang GT one of the most recognizable American performance cars of its era. With approximately 50,000 miles reported, the car remains an appealing option for enthusiasts looking for an affordable V8-powered convertible. The Mustang is equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission and a responsive 5.0-liter V8 engine. According to the seller, the vehicle runs, drives, shifts, and stops properly. Numerous maintenance and upgrade items have been completed, including a new radiator, hoses, clutch, transmission, starter, battery, radio, speakers, tie rods, and mufflers. Additional highlights include Cobra R wheels and a Celine-inspired body kit that enhance the vehicle's appearance. While the speedometer and fuel gauge require attention, the car remains a functional and enjoyable driver. Combining classic Fox body styling, V8 performance, and convertible cruising capability, this 1987 Ford Mustang GT offers excellent value for enthusiasts seeking a fun and collectible American performance car. 8. 1976 Chevrolet Corvette Tube Chassis 496 Glide. Price, $22,500, located Elizabethtown, Kentucky. This 1976 Chevrolet Corvette tube chassis drag car is a purpose-built racing machine designed for serious track performance. Finished in bright orange with a black interior, the car combines the unmistakable appearance of a classic Corvette with the strength and capability of a professionally constructed race chassis. With approximately 12,345 miles reported, this vehicle is fully prepared for competitive drag racing. The Corvette is powered by a potent 496 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine paired with a Powerglide transmission. This proven combination has helped the car achieve impressive 8th-mile performance, reportedly running in the mid-5-second range. Supporting modifications include a 4-link rear suspension, a durable 9-inch rear axle, and 4-wheel disc brakes for improved control and stopping power. The chassis is constructed from mild steel and carries an 8.50 certification, making it suitable for serious competition. Included with the vehicle is a Mega 350 delay box, adding additional functionality for racers seeking consistency at the track. Race-ready and well-equipped, this Corvette offers a strong opportunity for anyone looking to own a competitive and proven drag racing vehicle. 9. 1974 Chevrolet Vega Wagon. Price, $14,000, located Scottsboro, Alabama. This 1974 Chevrolet Vega wagon is a highly modified drag racing platform built with performance and consistency in mind. While retaining the recognizable shape of the classic Vega wagon, the vehicle has been transformed into a dedicated race chassis capable of handling substantial horsepower. Finished in black, the car presents a purposeful appearance that reflects its competition-focused design. The foundation of the build is a reinforced 2x3 custom frame paired with a Ford 9-inch rear end and a 4-link rear suspension system. Suspension upgrades include new AFCO rear shocks and strange double-adjustable front components, helping optimize traction and stability during launches. The vehicle is also equipped with 4-wheel disc brakes for reliable stopping performance. Designed for a small block Chevrolet engine combination, the car is currently being offered as a rolling chassis without an engine or transmission. According to the seller, the Vega has a history as a proven winner and has been carefully prepared for drag racing competition. For racers seeking a lightweight, well-developed platform with excellent potential, this Vega wagon represents a solid and affordable opportunity. 10. 1974 Chevrolet Vega SS drag car. Price, $11,000, located Decatur, Alabama. This 1974 Chevrolet Vega SS drag car is a race-focused machine built around a powerful small-block Chevrolet combination. Finished in white with a blue interior, the vehicle offers classic compact styling combined with serious straight-line performance. With approximately 300 miles reported since recent work, the car is positioned as an affordable entry into competitive drag racing. Power comes from a 412 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine featuring Brodix cylinder heads, forged internals, Eagle connecting rods, Eagle crankshaft components, roller valve train hardware, and a performance camshaft. The engine has reportedly been refreshed and has not been raced since the updates were completed. A rebuilt Powerglide transmission, trans brake, electric shifter, and high-stall torque converter further enhance track performance. Additional features include 5.13 rear gearing, race bearings, block filler, fender exit headers, and a Holley carburetor. The combination was assembled with durability and performance in mind, making it suitable for bracket racing or weekend competition. For enthusiasts seeking a ready-to-enjoy drag car with proven components, this Chevrolet Vega SS offers substantial value and exciting performance potential. 11. 1963 Dodge Dart. Price, $33,000, located Lebanon, Tennessee. This 1963 Dodge Dart is an extreme AFX-inspired gasser that combines show-quality presentation with serious Mopar performance. Built from an original low-mileage Dart GT, the vehicle has been transformed into a professional custom hot rod that attracts attention everywhere it goes. Finished in black with a red interior, the car delivers an aggressive appearance while maintaining outstanding overall condition. Under the hood is a strong 440 cubic inch Mopar V8 engine equipped with aluminum cylinder heads and supported by a carefully selected collection of premium performance components. Additional upgrades include a Dana rear axle, Moser components, Holley fuel system parts, Hooker headers, Dynomax exhaust, MSD ignition, McLeod drivetrain equipment, and a Hurst shifter. Power is delivered through an A833 transmission with overdrive capability. The vehicle was built primarily for cruising and show events rather than competitive racing. According to the seller, it runs exceptionally well on premium pump fuel, remains trouble-free, and has never experienced rust issues. Combining outstanding craftsmanship, powerful performance, and classic Mopar heritage, this Dodge Dart is a standout custom build that appeals to collectors and enthusiasts alike. 12. 1980 Chevrolet Monza. Price, $18,000, located Henning, Tennessee. This 1980 Chevrolet Monza is a well-prepared bracket racing car built for reliability, consistency, and competitive performance. Finished in blue, the vehicle features a professionally constructed square-tube chassis and a race-oriented setup designed to perform at the drag strip while maintaining durability over many seasons of use. Power comes from a 383 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine featuring a forged rotating assembly, splayed main caps, and an APD alcohol carburetor. The engine is paired with a fresh Powerglide transmission equipped with a Pro brake system and a quality bell housing. According to the seller, the combination consistently runs in the 6-second range in the 8th mile, making it a capable and proven performer. The chassis incorporates a ladder bar rear suspension, 12-bolt rear axle, strange front struts, and a professionally TIG welded roll cage. Additional features include onboard air systems and fresh paint completed during the current year. The seller describes the car as an all-around good bracket racer that has been lightly used in recent seasons. For racers seeking a dependable and competitive drag car, this Chevrolet Monza offers strong performance and proven track capability.